Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share FE exam guides and solve sample problems to help you prepare for the FE exam with confidence. If you are planning to take the FE exam, also known as the Fundamentals of Engineering exam, but do not know where to start, this video is for you. I'll guide you through the entire registration process from creating your NCEES account to scheduling your FE exam. First, you create your NCEES account and get registered. Then, for some candidates, you complete a credential evaluation. After that, you apply for your FE exam. And finally, you schedule your exam date. In the following slides, we'll go through each of these steps in detail so you know exactly what to do. To start your NCEES registration, you'll need to create your NCEES account online at ncees.org. Go to ncees.org and click My NCEES. Under New Customer, select My NCEES. Then scroll down and click Create My Account. Fill in the basic personal information, agree to the terms of use and privacy statement, and click Submit. Once your account is created, you'll have access to your NCEES dashboard to start your FE exam application. Next, enter all your educational information in your My NCEES account, starting with your high school degree, then your bachelor's degree, and any additional degrees you may have. If your degree is not ABET accredited, for example, if you earned your degree outside the United States, request that your school send your official transcript directly to NCEES. You also need to send your course descriptions to NCEES through your My NCEES account. Your school can also send the course description, whichever is faster. Course descriptions are usually submitted through a help ticket in your My NCEES account. To access it, click the help icon or support link usually in the top right corner or side menu. For your diploma, the school usually sends it along with the transcript. Most foreign universities include the degree certificate or a copy of the diploma in the same envelope as the transcript. If your school doesn't send a diploma, you can upload a notarized color copy yourself via a help ticket in your My NCEES account. If your official transcript already includes your degree title, discipline, and conferral date, NCEES typically does not require a separate diploma. If you're unsure, use the Chat Now feature on the NCEES website for an instant answer before paying your evaluation fee. Once NCEES receives all your documents and verifies them, you will then need to pay the credential evaluation fee. As of 2026, the fee is $400. Since the fee is subject to change, be sure to check the NCEES website for the current evaluation fee for the year you are applying. After NCEES receives your payment, they will review your transcripts and issue a report showing whether your degree meets ABET standards. The next step is to apply for the FE exam. In your My NCEES account, click Register for an exam and select your FE discipline. As of 2026, the registration fee is $225. After payment, you receive your authorization to test, which allows you to schedule your exam. Next, schedule your exam. Log back into your My NCEES account and click Schedule. This will open the Pearson VUE portal where you can choose your testing center. Select your preferred date and time. Confirm your appointment and be sure to note it in your calendar. This brings us to the end of your FE exam roadmap part 1. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really encourages me to create more FE exam videos. Share this video video with anyone you think will benefit from it. Leave any questions you have in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer and guide you as much as I can. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning. You can pass the FE exam. See you next time.